Hello, my cookies. Today we are going to be making chicken parmesan, and it's so delicious and super easy to make. So let's cook. First, we're going to start with our chicken boobs. Make sure that they're really thinly sliced. I buy mine already cut thin, but you can buy the regular boneless chicken breast, slice them in half, and then beat them with a mallet until they're nice and even. Then I'm going to season them on both sides with Poultry Magic. Just use your favorite poultry seasoning. Just get it seasoned on both sides. Then we want to prep our breading station, starting with some all-purpose flour. To my flour, I'm going to add some more of that poultry seasoning as well as some garlic powder and mix it together well. In another dish, we're going to add 2 eggs and whisk them together really well. And lastly, we'll need some garlic and herb breadcrumbs. And I'm just going to start by dipping the chicken into the flour and dredging it well on both sides, shaking off the excess. We'll do the same thing in the eggs and the breadcrumbs. Do that with each of your chicken breasts and set them aside. Now I'm adding some olive oil into my skillet. I'm using cast iron, but make sure that your skillet is oven safe. And I'm adding some olive oil in, not too much because we're not going to deep fry it, but we're just going to lay in our chicken boobs and we're going to fry them on each side for 3 minutes until they're nice and golden. Then turn the heat off and spoon some marinara sauce on top. Do not cover it in the sauce. You don't want the chicken to get soggy. And use your favorite sauce. I'll have my recipe linked in the description box. You can't make chicken parm without using Parmesan cheese. So just sprinkle some grated parm on there as well as some fresh mozzarella. I like to cover it in mozzarella cheese. Next, I'm sprinkling on some fresh basil, and then we're going to bake this on 375 degrees for about 15 minutes until that cheese is melted and the chicken is cooked completely through. Then cookies, you can dive into this delicious chicken parmesan. The recipe link will be down there in the description box. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I served this over angel hair pasta and it was delicious. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. Until next time, be blessed.